Hi, I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe in Market A Go-Go in Palo Alto, California. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach mozzarella pizza. The ingredients for this pizza are whole milk Wisconsin mozzarella cheese, diced organic stewed tomatoes, organic baby spinach, our house-made pizza dough, our pumpkin hemp seed pesto. You first want to make sure that your pizza peel has plenty of cornmeal on it so it does not stick. Then we apply some pumpkin hemp seed pesto. Organic baby spinach on top of the pesto. Diced organic tomatoes on top of the spinach. Finished with whole milk diced mozzarella cheese. Into a 600-degree oven for 4 to 6 minutes. And this is our spinach mozzarella pizza we serve here at Calafia Cafe, Market A Go-Go. I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe and Market A Go-Go in Palo Alto.